Saludos amigos, Kash, your president and CEO of Kash International Luxury Real Estate. Hey guys, how are you doing today? Guys, I'm coming to you today from beautiful LasTerrenas. It is an absolutely mesmerizing day. It's a Sunday, but nevertheless, me and Lila are out there. We're getting some work done, and we're filming some videos for you guys because, guys, we're flying into season 3. Season 3 is going to be a special season. We're going to be covering LasTerrenas, Santo Domingo, and Punta Cana. We are focusing on some investments in Santo Domingo, so we're going to be bringing you a lot of cool stuff here in season 3. All right, so what am I doing here today? Guys, I want to give you an update of one of the most monumental projects here in LasTerrenas. It came about from unfortunate circumstances. As you guys know, about a year to year and a half ago, maybe a year ago, there was a fire that happened at the monumental, the multicolored buildings called Pueblo Pescadores, okay? There was a fire that happened. It was an unfortunate event. Nevertheless, it did occur, and what I'm always focused on is the silver lining. There's always a silver lining if you believe there is, including in your life. If you believe things happen for a reason and you can find the positive in it, then that is how you need to live. This is a great example of it. The Ministry of Turismo decided to dive in, help out, redo this entire space, okay? They're investing $5 million in this project. I'm gonna share a few renderings with you as well on the screen, but I want to give you a quick update of where we are, okay? Progress is happening, progress is moving, and you're gonna get a feel and be able to see the difference in how they've now improved this project. Versus what it was before. All right, guys, so stick around. I'm gonna do a walkthrough here. I'm gonna explain a few things, and you'll get a feel. You'll get a feel for what's going on. All right, let's do this. All right, guys, welcome back. Thanks for joining us here on season 3 of Love Where You Live, Dominican Republic. Guys, we are bringing you some real cool footage in this season. So stick around, watch all the videos, learn as much as you can. We're bringing you the trifecta of the Dominican Republic. So guys, I'm standing here ocean front. In the distance, you've got beautiful Playa Punta Poppy. All the way down here, you've got Playa Las Ballenas, okay? I've got amazing projects that are up and coming here. We've got projects over here. Over at the end of the beach over here, we've got Atlantic Hotel. But guys, right now what I want to talk to you about is this project right here. This is the amazing, monumental project that the Ministry of Turismo has taken on, and our mayor, our good friend, the mayor, is taking on this as well, and they are recreating Pueblo Pescadores. They're recreating it bigger, better, grander than ever before. Let's walk inside the construction site. It's a Sunday, nobody's working, so that's good. So I'm gonna take you inside so you can get a little bit of scale and scope of this project. Make sure you watch the drone footage as well. I'm gonna share that with you at the end. But let's head on in. Ministry of Turismo, good job. You guys are doing great. So this is the space. It's a massive space. This is gonna comprise of 10 different hospitality shops, okay? 10 different hospitality shops. All are spoken for, all are rented. So before you fire off a message to me saying that, Kash, I want one of those, just giving you a heads up, they're all gone. But on that note, at the end of Playa Punta Poppy, I do have a bar restaurant available for $150K that is oceanfront. Okay, so there is an opportunity just as a sidebar there. But back to Pueblo Pescadores. As you can see, this used to be a wooden structure, okay? This used to be all wood, and that was kind of why this whole thing went up in flames the way it did, because it was a wood structure. I believe it did have some columns going in, but not much. The base was wood, so that allowed for a lot of inconsistencies in the stability. It was hard on a sanitary level because there's a lot of open spaces, food dropping, creating space for rodents and stuff like that. So what they're doing is they're completely redoing it. These pillars are going down 80+ feet. They're going right down into the bedrock, and they're catching there. They're not going down like in Canada we do the frost line. We go down like, I forget what it is, like 5-6 feet or something like that. Over here we're going down 80 feet and catching the bedrock. So it's solid foundation. Right here, you guys can see, I'm gonna hop up here while you guys stay down there with the camera, okay? But you can see what they're doing. All of this is a solid concrete structure. So now they're developing this as a concrete structure. I'm gonna give you a rough idea of the view. These are the views, guys. These places are going to be spectacular. The views are going to be mind-blowing. All of these are going to run all the way across, and you are just going to have one of the most beautiful views as you eat one of your international favorites, because there's going to be a combination of all different kinds of restaurants, all world-class stuff. So this project, the government is investing, you can see the sign up here, let me show you that. The government is investing a proposed $5 million into this project. That is a massive investment into this infrastructure. And part of that is infrastructure. So creating proper irrigation, proper water supplies, proper electricity, all of those elements are being handled and taken care of. You can see exactly how these beams are going to be going in. This is going to be a very solid structure. It's going to be resistant to the hurricanes. Now, as you know, LasTerrenas hasn't been hit by a hurricane in like 50 some odd years. We did get hit, unfortunately, last year, 1 in 50 years. Not a bad, I'll take those odds. We did get hit last year, but this is going to be hurricane proof as well, okay? So you can see exactly what's going on here. The Ministry of Turismo is in, $5 million bucks. They're moving forward. My guesstimate here on this project, just from my experience, I'm gonna say a year to a year and a half out. It depends how heavy and aggressive they want to dump resources into this project. But my guess, a year to a year and a half out. But when it is done, guys, forget about it. Your properties, if you own on Playa Las Baianas, if you own anywhere around here, boom, your prices are going up because you're creating tourist interest, you're creating amenities, world-class amenities, and true oceanfront amenities. This does not exist all the time in most parts of the world. So this is gonna put LasTerrenas even more so on the map. Now you add in the golf course potential, you add in the new projects, you add in Confiture, you add in more North Americans, more notoriety, people like you liking, subscribing, and sharing my content, getting the word out about this country. All of these things are going to drive prices, which is good because you're getting in early, but it's also going to drive quality of life. Okay, so yeah, I just want to share this with you. Make sure you look at the drone footage. It's pretty phenomenal. Like, we're located right next to the world famous ships that are right around the corner. There's other beautiful restaurants. Playa Baianas Beach, Playa Baianas Residences is just down the street. This is a primetime location, guys. So good job to Ministry of Tourism. Big shout out to you guys. You're doing a great job. I love your mindset. I love how you are innovative and you are aggressive and you are doing things. I commend that. I'm relating that against some of the North American counterparts, municipalities that don't go quick, move slow, a lot of red tape, a lot of BS, and progress is impeded. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. Pueblo Pescadores, everything is moving forward. It will be done soon. It looks great, solid concrete structure, and look out for it. We'll keep giving you updates throughout. All right, guys, thanks so much. And remember, we're a North American brokerage. I'm not just a broker, I'm an investor. Now we're also invested in Santo Domingo. We're in LasTerrenas. We're looking at Punta Cana. We're gonna bring you a ton of information, A to Z solutions on how to invest in paradise. Guys, diversify your real estate. Don't be stuck in North America. I'll leave you on this note. Rather be a couple years early than one day late. On that note, love where you live, guys. Come and see me. Bye.